Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to my Spanish and I. It is a favorite presenter, Jeff Lino, and today we have a question still on geometric progression. Now, if this is the first time joining us, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share our videos, because it is only when we share our videos that the videos get to others, and then they can also learn from it. Now, without wasting time, the first question for today says, the third term of a GP is 4. The product of the first 5 terms is. The third term of a GP is 4. The product of the first 5 terms is. Okay, let's see what we can do. Now, when you say the third term of a GP is 4, it means T3 is equal to 4. Now, according to the formula for the nth term of a GP, it says Tn is equal to AR raised to the power of n minus 1. Now, my number of terms here is 3. So I have T3 is equal to AR raised to the power of 3 minus 1. But now the value for T3 was given as what? 4. So I'll substitute 4 for T3, and then I have AR raised to the power 2. And how did I get to 3 minus 1 is 2? Now, we were told to find, the product of the first 5 terms. Now, we all know the product of first 5 terms in a GP are first term times second term times third term times fourth terms, and lastly times 5th terms. So these are the first 5 terms of GP. But now we were told to look for the product, so that is why we multiply. Okay, so now without wasting time, from here, which is 4 equal to AR raised to the power 2, I can make A, which is the first term, the subject of the formula. So if I bring, let us call this equation 1. If I bring equation 1 down to this, 4 equal to AR raised to the power 2, and then I want to make A the subject of the formula, so I'll divide both sides by R raised to the power 2. And if I cancel out R raised to the power 2, I have my first term as 4 over R raised to the power 2. So now what we are going to do now is this: substitute 4 over R squared for the first term in all of the number of terms. So it becomes A, which is the first term, is 4 over R squared times, here we have AR, but A is 4 over R squared, so I have 4 over R squared times R, which we have here, times AR raised to the power 2 becomes 4 over R squared times R raised to the power 2 times, here I have 4 over R squared times R raised to the power 3, and lastly I have 4 over R squared times R raised to the power 4. Now the best way for us to solve this math is, let us multiply all through the numbers, and then when we multiply the numbers, also we multiply the powers of R's together. Now let's see. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 4. So we can say 4 raised to the power of 5. And then I have arrow, I have arrow, I have arrow, and I have arrow. Now, according to the law of indices, it says when the bases are the same and you are multiplying, you add the powers. So what I will do now is I will pick one of the bases, which is arrow. Now, the power I have here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now I've added all the powers. Now all over. Now again, all the bases here are the same, arrow. So again, I'll pick one of the bases, arrow, and then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that will give us raised to the power of 10. So now without wasting time, here becomes 4 raised to the power of 5, arrow, 1 plus 2 gives us 3, 3 plus 3 gives us 6, and 6 plus 4 gives us 10. All over R raised to the power 10. So class, because the bases are the same and the powers are also the same, R raised to the power 10 becomes as R raised to the power 10. So what do I have? 4 raised to the power of 5. So this is how you can solve the question that looks like this. So I believe you have learned something new today in today's episode. Until we meet again in our next class, please keep watching Mathematics and I, and keep subscribing and keep sharing our videos. Thank you for watching today's episode. Till we meet again next time. Bye for now.